So guys, I know we missed last week's upload for like the first time in God knows how long. Sorry about that. Literally everything that could go wrong went wrong. The main one being this guy right here decided to run away into someone's car. Literally had to go bail him out of dog jail. So thanks, buddy. So we haven't really showed you guys the mud mower on the channel. It got the nickname Mud Truck because we have a miniature swamp in our backyard here, and it got pretty freaking stuck back there. Briggs & Stratton, only the best. We're gonna lift it with BMW wheels. Most of y'all have seen the BMW on the channel. This guy right here, it's a 1995 325i. The engine is now blown because we did a massive burnout, which happened in this video. You wanna smash it?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah.
We're crashing into each other.
Oh, not the tail light.
Not the tail light. No, not the tail light.
Okay.
You can take a blinker out. We don't use that anyways.
Yeah, it's a BMW.
Oh, careful, bro, careful.
Oh, my teeth. See, when in battle, you just want to hit a car. Like, there you go.
More man.
Alright guys, we're just gonna jump right into it. We got 4 BMW wheels and tires and a lawnmower. So we're gonna make 2 and 2 go together and we're gonna see what happens. So basically, the bad thing is these mud mower wheels, they're spline drive. They don't have a typical car lug pattern. Versus these BMW wheels, to keep all that horsepower on the ground, you got 5 lug nuts. I think that's 5. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. We got 5 lug nuts. If you guys new here, hit that subscribe button with post notifications on, or don't. It won't hurt my feelings, but you probably should because the content here is lit. And with that said, let's get to it. Oh! It's out. Alright guys, so right now we're taking the measurements on the stock mud mower wheels and we're trying to make sure we can center the BMW wheels as much as possible. So what we did is we took a breaker bar and we just stuck it in there. It's like a perfect fit into the stock mud mower wheels. Like guys, look at that. Perfect. So now we gotta measure that, the diameter, circumference, whatever the mathematical term. The radius! Yeah. I think. Circumference, something. Sure it's a radius. I think it's a radius. Why is your shirt off?
It's hot!
Every f***ing time.
Do it, go.
The wheels are going on, boys.
What's going on, bro?
I'm like straight straddling this tire right now. What the hell? Who just showed up, guys? That's the good old Zach Kuna.
Zach too.
We got 4 Zachs now, I think.
4 Zachs?
Where have you been, dude?
Mexico.
You haven't been on the channel in God knows how long.
Been in Mexico.
This is our BMW, it's broken. Zach, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try to crush it.
You try to crush it? All right, Zach, let her rip. Guys, this BMW, it's donezo. We got to send it to the scrapyard, so we're gonna have some fun with it real quick. I think we should put these bills in the mower. 50,000 likes, man.
Send it, man.
Huh? Yeah.
Good, dude.
Tell me about first sets.
You're good. You're good. Oh, bro. Oh. All right, hold on. You're gonna get into our workspace back here.
All right. Gonna pull it by this here. Indestructible windshield. Come on, more horsepower. Oh, dude.
Oh, wait, is this going?
No, get back here. Jump back. What the hell? Sir, I'm gonna need your insurance. Oh, God.
Tree.
All right, guys, I have no idea why we're doing this, but this is Novice Garage, so why not? Woo! Here we go, guys. Jeep versus BMW. Oh! Oh! Wait, stop. We gotta take a picture. Hold on. Gosh dang!
I wonder what your neighbors think.
I don't don't know if it's gonna fit, guys. Honestly, like the clearance is kind of iffy on this one.
Oh, you're hitting the blade.
Dude, hold on. Wait, what if we just drop this down? Okay, so that's lowered. Let's see. No
Clearance,
way.
Gabe, clearance.
Dude, look at that.
You got good 2 inches, man.
Guys, look at this.
Inch and a half.
Look at the freaking fender.
Don't go over a speed bump, don't worry.
That would almost fail the credit card test. Almost. Dude, this is crazy. All right, where's the washer for it?
This is the
Dude,
what?
this looks freaking crazy. I think it'll still mow it too. Is it? You put the washer on?
My whole hand's in there, you know, right? Wait, my hand's stuck.
I was like, God.
Bring the washer in.
I can't, my hand's stuck.
Yeah, that's it. That's definitely the washer.
If your hand's actually stuck.
I put it in the hole.
I can't believe how was this. Hold on. Wait. Leave your hand in there. It's content. Hold on.
I told you. Like, it's in there.
camera, bro.
Jesus Christ, Chris. How do we get in these situations?
for the algorithm.
Bro?
What do I do?
Go get the butter. Novice emergency room visit.
Should I go to the hospital? Like, hey, keep my hand up.
No, hold on. I'm getting the butter. Alright. I hate to have to be this guy, but I'm gonna have to bring this man a whole jar of butter. I couldn't find the spray on butter, Gabe. I'm actually being honest. I looked through your whole fridge, I didn't see it. No, I thought you put butter in the fridge, bro.
Butter flavored butter.
Dude, that's
It's butter flavored butter, bro.
butter flavored
It's about
butter.
to save Chris's hands.
I'm doing some.
We're not going to the ER. We don't have health insurance, so. Wait,
Butter him up, boys.
Other side.
Bro, your
that's
hand
so
smells
much butter.
awesome.
That's
More.
so much butter.
Inside.
More
Inside.
This ain't K&Y, buddy.
Alright, other side. Let me flip you over a little bit.
God, take it. Oh my.
Pull it out.
My thumb.
Oh, there we are. Lick it right now.
All right, guys, we're debeating tire number 2. Zach has a special debeating process, apparently. Woo! Oh, careful there, buddy. Oh, okay. You good?
All right, no, one more.
One more? Oh! Are you all right?
Oh yeah, sure.
You're going too fast.
It f***ing rips. We forgot the BMW emblem. All right, guys, we got the BMW wheels on the mud mower, and this thing looks sick. Guys, the clearance with these wheels is just nuts. Like, we had to bend this fender up a little bit to make it fit, and besides that, it really fits well. Now, we're thinking about doing the front too, but this one, we're gonna have to take the blade off, and you know, for right now, we're gonna romp it with just 2 BMW wheels. Man, it's looking stylish, bro. And the good thing is, it'll still cut grass. All right, I say we take it for a rip down the street, dude. What do you think?
Let's go over a speed bump too, see what happens.
Speed bump? All right.
Go. There you go.
Cowboy hat, dude.
Where is it? Out here walking. Holy sh! I'm like, what the hell? I heard clicking. Am I clicking?
Yeah.
Bro, can I try him?
Yeah, go ahead, man.
How have you been, dude? Holy crap!
Good, bro.
You good? You want to take a seat?
Yeah, we kind of f***ed it up.
You broke your bone?
No, there's a bone in my foot. That's a small one that broke and then twisted my ankle up real bad.
Get him, Dale. You're fine. dumbass Indiana Jones over here.
Breaker, we have a 2.9er.
Oh no!
Oh, alright, hold on.
You're crunches! I'll get it!
Come here, give me your head. Give me your head, there you go.
He said, it's aight. Is he at 6 speed? Oh yeah, now he is.
Oh yeah, he's in gear now. He's in overdrive, boy.
Put it in high gear.
Sir, I'm gonna need to see your license and registration.
Oh, it's so good when he turns over and you see the straw coming out of his
It's a
I
certified
think he dented the deck.
What happened?
You can literally see the bolts got sucked inside. What do we call this?
The lug hole.
The lug holes. There's got to be a more scientific term than lug holes. It actually sucked inside the lug holes, and you guys see what that is? Those are metal shavings. All right, guys. So while we were off-roading it, I hit like a manhole cover, and we actually bent the deck. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but the mower blade is actually hitting the side of the deck. Now we're sending them on a mission to go get a pry bar because we need to mow with this thing. We got to put the mower in mud. Oh, burnout loop.
Yeah, back up now.